Hey guys, Lock Hacker here. This is the type of lock you would see on a paper towel dispenser, like in a public bathroom. You know that cabinet looking thing you pull your paper towels out of? This is the kind of lock you see on something like that. Now the way it works is all you see is, it would be the lock part. But behind the scenes, what we got going on is here's your door, covering that. And there's a latch behind the door that this catches on. So what happens is, when it's locked, as it is now, the door can't move. But you come in there with the key, it turns that latch, and then it pulls. Now you can pull the door away from the rest of the dispenser and restock it with your paper towels, let's say. Okay, and then this will just be a little latch that just keeps it attached, that keeps the lock attached to the door. Alright, so what can we use that maybe we'll find in the bathroom or on the ground somewhere, maybe in the trash can if we have to? What's something that's readily available that we see all over the place? Well, paper clips. Yes, it's maybe cliche, but this is a perfect one to do it on. And look, I already have a pre-broken one that maybe I found on the sidewalk somewhere. Okay. What I'm going to do for this, so it's easy to see the difference, is put a little Sharpie across. That way you can see when it unlocks. So there you go. It goes across, and when that line separates, it'll be a little easier to determine that that's moved. Okay. Now this one really is as easy as lifting and turning. So watch this. Stick a paper clip in there. Alright. Lift and turn. And there you go. See it separated? Unlocked. See, now this is free to move around. So now what you're actually seeing, so your key would be in here, and you'd be unlocking it when you turn this way. And then it clicks, and now it's locked at the 90-degree position, or unlocked at the 90-degree position, and the door would be free to swing open. So same thing, just push and twist. Now it would be easier on a door, or if you had something to hold it, but I mean, you wouldn't need to be holding it like I am if you're actually trying to get in there. So push and twist, just like that. This is a wafer lock, and how this differs from like a like pin lock that's got pins in it is where we push up on, like I'll push up on the top where the pins normally are and watch what happens to the bottom. See how the bottom raises with the top? It's all connected. So it's actually a giant rectangle that looks like this. When I pull up the top, the bottom comes with it. See that? And these are picks that you can use to open wafer locks. For this one specifically, I like this one. It turns that easy, just like that. Now he's got a center divider in the middle. And this tool's got the space to go through that center divider. Just line it up. And as easy as a lock as this is, it just turns super smoothly. Now, this isn't supposed to be a high security lock at all, because I mean, just look at what it's protecting, paper towels, right? So doesn't need anything fancy on it, just something to keep that door attached. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, let me know. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys.